3 side hustles if you start today and become a multi-millionaire in less than 6 months. Number 1, social media marketing. Many people don't even know, so you don't need to become a content creator before you become a social media marketer. If you spend just 20,000 on Facebook ad, and Facebook will push your advert to 15,000 people, out of that 50,000 people, there's no way be say 300 people not go buy your product. If you have a good product, sell it for, let's say, 30,000 naira. Times 30,000 times 300, that's already 9 million naira. Easy money from Facebook without you becoming a content creator, without you even paying any influencer to market your product for you. Easy money. You know that's about where the problem then is. How do you know a good product selling online? How you want to know good product? We say they get hot value. We say people really need. That's where sales and marketing comes in. Selling expert product online and getting paid commission. If you want to know the knowledge of sales and marketing, you can use the link on the first comment to attend Mr. Great class. He will walk you through the process of sales and marketing. Very, very easy, but you go pay on small money because nothing really easy for Nigeria. You know that. Number 2 side also you can start today and become a multi-millionaire in less than 6 months. Partnership with a real estate company. You can partner or register with a real estate company and help them market their properties. When you market their properties, you can get up to 10% commission on every of your sales. And now let's say for instance, you sell a property worth 50 million naira. What is the 10% of 50 million? That's a lot of money for you. Obviously, they complain about the condition of Nigeria. So sometimes when people they complain about Nigeria condition, not be like say the Nigeria really bad, but if you still know your way around it, you will still make a lot of money for yourself. Because even as the country hard, people are still buying properties. From last year to only this year, I know how much I don't make from this particular thing when I tell you, because majority of my clients now Nigerians where they abroad. Because majority of Nigerians where they abroad, they find out they want to own properties here in Nigeria. So if you where they abroad, if you even take advantage of this opportunity, because now let's say for instance, some of your colleagues where they now, whether they work 9 to 5, as they save money, now they want to get properties for Nigeria with their plan. You know understand? If you're already in partnership with this real estate company and your colleague buy a property worth 100 million naira, what is the 10% of 100 million? That's a lot of money. And you can decide to even, if you don't want to take this money in cash, if you take them in property, if you have to pay for property for the real estate company, maybe let's say you bring another client again, another client again, another client. Before you look now, you don't buy another massive property from the real estate company with just your commission of referral with the refer people to the company. You know that many of my properties when I get to some of my land, that's why I buy them. It's not me to collect the commission in cash. Why not you take them in property? Maybe I bring this person, next time I bring another person again. Before you look now, you don't buy full property. We'll be saying one error, no if than out of refer where you refer people, and that one you take by the property. So take advantage of that opportunity and become a multi-millionaire in less than 6 months. If you are serious about it, you can make a lot of money from it. You know that. So if you be real estate company, they watch this video now, and they reach out to you. You know that's not the only way they sell land though, because I'm working with a lot who they sell land now. If you're a real estate company where they deal on development, which is properties like houses, reach out to me. We have a business to discuss. You know that's where you market your properties for free on commission basis. Thank you. Now, you see what they run and so you yourself fit run. You feel messy, you feel send DM to real estate companies, and they are willing to work with you because they said they find people who help them market their properties to reach out to more audience. You know that they find customers for their properties. So they say we are running now. If you go their DM, go run like that. You know, might not sell anything more for your body. You know that there are a lot of hundreds of real estate companies in Nigeria, in Africa at large. So run like that. Then number 3 thing, you can start as a side hustle and become a multi-millionaire in less than 6 months. Content creation will change your life. Content creation will change your life. And congratulations to everybody. If you're in Nigeria where they watch this video, say congratulations on the comment section. Man, I really know say watch this video to this level. You know why I tell you congratulations? Because Nigeria is not eligible for monetization, which means anybody within Nigeria, as long as say you did this country Nigeria, you know the best way they abroad again before you make money with your Facebook. As long as you upload your videos on Facebook, you can easily make money every month. As long as you upload videos back to back and people they watch the video. You know understand? I don't send the monetization link to a lot of people from my previous video. If you see they're interested in the link and I never sent you before, drop a comment, say I'm interested, and I go send out to your DM. When you do, activate your Facebook, then make sure you get up to 5,000 followers. When you activate, every video where you post, Facebook will they pay you money. You know that's that. A lot of people say content creation can easily transform your life. All the people they watch online, from the Sabinus, their brother Shaggy, go check them, their first video when they start. They came out of nothing. Now the content make them who they be. Now this social media they take back money will make them who they be. You know, now if people come online, will be say they already get money, but the rest of them, now this social media transform their lives. You know that habit of say you carry phone, you talk, you post them, or you they ask you, they do funny things, you post them, people they watch them. That thing is capable of transforming your life. You know understand? So take advantage of that opportunity and change your life. That's another side hustle. So many people they say I'm not a social media person. You don't even need to become a social media person. There's nothing public about being social. Man, I tell you something. That video they make, some people say I don't like to, I not be public. But this video when they make now, not forget, see nobody there with me when they make this video. Until I upload this video before it becomes a public something. But when they make the video, anybody there see me. I did my house alone. I'm only me there. So you say it's not really a public something. And I'll let me there make the video until I upload them for my page before it becomes a public something. You know, so take advantage of it. You can create content from your job where you do. how your day went, maybe how your day went, or how my day went. I don't know whether I correct English I speak. Go school, you say no. Now what's the consequences now? Now, your normal daily life, your normal family life, you create content about it, you upload it. At the end of the month, Facebook will still pay you, YouTube will pay you, TikTok will pay you. You know, understand? They will pay you for this platform for funny things. Every day when I wake up, what I do? I just carry my phone, talk to the phone, I upload them for day. Apart from my session when I make my advert money, every month this video where they watch now, Facebook will still pay me for this video at the end of the month. YouTube will still pay me at the end of the month. TikTok will still pay me at the end of the month for this video where they watch. So this na side also will be say, even if you get what you they do already, you can still apply all these things. Maybe you still they make extra income. If now for instance I don't make money in a month, I make $5,000 at all, which I not make at all. Plus everything that they do before. I get all that thing that they do before if I become a content creator and all these things. If I see plus that one plus the small money where they come from, all that thing that they do before. If they make me richer, they make me poorer. Only you answer the question on the comment section. Give me the answer on the comment section. So take advantage of all this opportunity. Many of you need to appreciate me. You know why? Because I they give you a lot of information. Will be say people they go pay for, but they give for free. You know why they give for free? Now because of say I really want the best for you. It not hard me to go create one more content, post up on my platform. No say person go still watch them and he go still pay me more. I go still earn more money. But I go take my time. Sometimes this video when I create now, maybe this video if not pass 5 minutes. So, but this video will take me maybe 1 hour to create because of financial content. But I go put on there. Many of them are going to feel like say maybe not. But don't forget, say that same time that they create plenty video of not waste sense, not the inside. I go upload them there. They will still make me the same amount of money with this video will make me. So if I they use my time, they create quality content for you, before they appreciate them. You know that. So share this video, like this video, drop a comment. And for those of you who say you want to monetize your Nigeria Facebook, drop a comment. I'm interested, and I will drop the link for you. Maybe to monetize your Nigeria Facebook. Wait till I talk last for this video. Write my name in capital letter. Gege. Gege.